It is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking about alkali and alkaline earth metals in biological systems. Only four alkali and alkaline earth metals are important in biological terms. They are sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Sodium is important in functioning in nerve functioning in animals. It is majorly concerned with cellular fluid in animals. Potassium is essential in all animals and all organisms. Then we have the next is magnesium is essential in all organisms. It is an important part of ATP, and calcium is an important part of bones. Also performs a number of important functions. It is essential for contraction of muscles. It plays a role active center in a number of protein and enzymes. Calcium in biosystem. Metabolism and deposition of calcium in biological system is controlled by parathyroid hormone vitamin D3. Calcium and osteocalcium is usually stored in tissues as granules. Calcium is stored in the body and it also helps in binding of protein, quercetin, and other organisms. Trypsin. Trypsin comprises the different concepts of calcium and it contains 158 amino acids. Then we have perialbumin. The perialbumin is found in the amino acids and it has the weight of 12,000. Then calmodulin. Calmodulin is a part of calcium and it residues substrates for tropin C, active for tropin C. Stylacol nuclease. The stylacol nuclease, it has the protein content which has DNA and RNA, and this DNA and RNA is hydrolyzed calcium ion also required for binding inhibitors of the active, which includes enzymes and which have enzymatic effect. Then we have consanguine A. This consanguine A is a molecular weight with 25,200 and exists as a dimer in the body. Thermolysin, that is thermally able for protein tying and binding. Calcium and zinc ion catalytic activity in the enzymes. Function of calcium. Calcification. Main function of calcium is to provide support to the structure of the body. In major animals from protozoa to muscles, all are supported by calcium carbonate in vertebrates. And this calcium carbonate has an important portion in the body. Blood clotting. When tissues are damaged, the flow of blood, the formation of clot formation is complicated and it is definitely requires the presence of calcium ions. Calcium and secretion. There are number of secretory glands in the body which secrete human hormones and enzymes. These substances are secreted by the glands with the proper stimulant. The stimulants are calcium iron. For example, the insulin is secreted by the pancreas by this method. Molecular contraction. Most important function of calcium is the contraction of muscles. In the contraction of muscles, the role of calcium ion is to transfer the nerve pulse.